This is question number 16. 12 divided by 1 by 4 times 4. Try to solve by your own and comment your answer, whatever it will be, right or wrong. I will give you shout out if you comment your answer, whatever it will be. Okay, these are top challenges. So in this case, many will solve like this: 12 divided by 1 by 4 times 4. 4 times 1, 4 times 1, or you can say 12 divided by 1 or 12. So do you think 12 is the right answer? No, that's not the right answer. We will follow here attempt dash parenthesis exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. As we know, we can rewrite here 12 divided by 1 of 4 times 4. So there are two operations are there, division and multiplication, and as you know, division and multiplication have the same priority, and in that case we have to solve from left to right. So first we will solve here left to right. So first we will solve this division operation. Okay, so to operate this, we will also use the KCF rule here. We will use KCF here. KCF stands for keep, change, flip. We will keep 12 as it is, and we will change this division into multiplication, and we will flip this 1 by 4 into 4 by 1. So now again write as it is. Okay, now first we can say here like 12 times 4 times 4, and when we multiply this, which equals to what? 12 times 4, that is equal to 48. Okay, times 4, and now 48 times 4, which equals to what? 192. So here 192 is the right answer, and if you are seniors, then must check out of this product link in the description, and like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.